Friends, many of you would easily be able to recognize the plant next to me, especially for its colorful leaves. You would also see them in most urban gardens and indoor decors, especially in planters. It is the croton. You would have often seen the crotons in large brass planters in hotel and club lobbies, usually in corners and table sides. Croton is a very popular ornamental houseplant grown throughout the world. It is a low-maintenance indoor houseplant and it is a type of shrub. Its numerous varieties of shrubs or small trees with brilliantly colored glossy leathery leaves are grown as ornamental houseplants and in the tropics as shrubs. It is native to Malaysia and the Pacific. The leaf colors occur solid or in combinations of green, yellow, white, orange, pink, red, crimson and purple. The 4 to 6 inch leaves vary from linear and land-shaped to oval and lobed, depending upon the variety. In our garden yard, you can find leaf blades ranging from flat to corkscrew shaped. Since some cultivars are tolerant of interior environments, crotons have also become very popular as interior potted foliage plants. One additional point often overlooked is that foliage of crotons is an excellent material for use in floral arrangements. Both individual leaves and entire branches can be used in floral designs. Croton grows in bright indirect light. It needs some shade for good growth as direct sunlight can damage its plant growth. The color variations of leaves may depend upon sunlight. Crotons are high humidity loving plants and popular for their incredibly beautiful foliage. They come in over 100 varieties and add a burst of color to your home, office and garden. There are several varieties of croton. I am sure this colorful flower will brighten and beautify your garden. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at Men Can Make Home